Have you ever wondered what gives the saxophone its incredibly soulful and expressive voice? It is one of the most distinctive instruments in jazz and blues, capable of everything from smooth melodies to powerful, soaring solos. The secret to this unique sound lies in a surprisingly small and humble component, the reed. Saxophone reeds create sound through rapid vibration. When a player blows air into the saxophone's mouthpiece, this stream of air causes the reed to quickly open and close against the mouthpiece's opening. This fluttering motion produces sound waves, which then travel into the body of the instrument, creating the notes we hear. The why behind this phenomenon is fascinating physics. The reed, typically a thin piece of cane or synthetic material, is securely fastened to the mouthpiece. As air enters, the reed begins to vibrate at a specific frequency, determined by its length, thickness, and the amount of air pressure applied. Each vibration creates a tiny puff of air that travels down the saxophone's bore. These puffs combine to form a standing wave of air within the instrument, amplifying the sound and giving it character. The mouthpiece acts as a resonator, focusing these vibrations before they enter the main tube of the saxophone. To produce different notes and tones, saxophone players expertly manipulate several factors. Their embouchure, which is the shape and pressure of their lips and jaw around the mouthpiece, precisely controls how much of the reed can vibrate. Faster or slower airspeed also changes the intensity and pitch of the sound. By mastering these techniques, players can create a wide spectrum of musical expression, from soft whispers to loud, vibrant cries. An interesting detail for any budding saxophonist is the importance of reed strength. Reeds come in various strengths, usually numbered from 1 to 5, with higher numbers indicating a stiffer reed. A stiffer reed requires more air pressure, and a stronger embouchure but can offer a richer, more powerful tone. Conversely, a softer reed is easier to play and can produce a lighter, brighter sound, especially for beginners. Finding the right reed strength is a personal journey for every player, significantly impacting their overall sound. Ultimately, the incredible sound of the saxophone is a perfect synergy. It is the sophisticated physics of a vibrating reed creating standing waves, channeled through the instrument's expertly designed body, and brought to life by the skillful breath and precise control of the musician. It is this intricate dance between player, reed, and instrument that gives the saxophone its compelling and unforgettable voice in the world of music.